Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 19 from the chapter of Oscillations. So the topic for the today's session is factors affecting the total energy of a particle which is executing the simple harmonic motion. So this session is in continuation of the session number 5, in which we have derived the equation for the total energy of a particle executing simple harmonic motion. So here the question is, the total energy of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is, there are four options. First option is, it is proportional to x, where x is the displacement of the particle from its mean position. So here second option is x squares, third option is root x, and the fourth option is it is independent of x. So in the session number 5 we have derived the equation for the total energy of the particle, which was equal to was equal to 1 upon 2 m omega square a square. Now here a is the amplitude of simple harmonic motion, omega is the angular frequency which is equal to 2 pi upon t, where t is the time period, and m is the mass of this particle. So from this equation we can simply see that the total energy of the particle is independent of x. That is, the total energy is not depending on the displacement of this particle from its mean position. So in the next session, that is in the session number 20, I will be coming up with a different type of a question, and the topic will remain the same, that is a simple harmonic motion. And so till then, have a nice day. Bye.